Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can turn off video or media autoplay for videos you add or video clips you add to your Wix website in 2026. So let us dive into this. In the first step, navigate to your Wix website, select the page. In the top left corner, I will go with this one here, the About Us page of that example website. And as you can see, I added this example animation or video clip here with that horse, with that play button, so that visitors of my website or blog may see that animation here in the header. It's just an example anyway. So if you'd like to turn off the autoplay for it, what you'll need to do, guys, is, let me just move it here. What you will need to do is right click into it, and after that select settings. And here you will see, for example, the option change video. You can add a video text, you can reset it, but you can also customize the behavior. To do that, click into behavior here below, and here we'll see the automatic play. For example, you may choose between automatically on click or on hover. I will go with on click. And you can select also on end of the animation, replace on click, stops or loops, play in slow-mo. Well, that option is not available right for this example here, but that's how it works, guys. Yeah, you don't need to save anything manually, simply click off this menu. That's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got something from it, and we'll catch you later.